The accelerated approval is based on a FDA's proposition in terms of how to gain access for these agents for the myeloma patients, even before we have the full benefit as defined by a randomized controlled trial compared to the standard of care agents. So there are other agents in this space, like the previously approved BCMA targeting agent teclistamab received an accelerated approval based on the response rate. So if the response rates are significantly higher than what could be expected for this patient population, the drug gets an accelerated approval. So every accelerated approval has to be confirmed by a randomized phase 3 trial showing the benefit of that specific agent against the standard of care control arm. So right now, we got the first win. That means the patients don't need to wait for a randomized control trial to have the access for this agent. Now, that is applicable or available in a lot of ways. So this is not the first BCMA targeting agent to be approved, but we have 2 CD38 monoclonal antibodies that were approved, which are daratumumab and isatuximab. We have 2 BCMA targeting CAR-Ts that are approved, which are cell-to-cell and ide-cel. Now we have 2 BCMA targeting bispecific antibodies that were approved, which are Elranatamab and teclistamab. So anytime when we have more of these availability of these agents, it always benefits the patients. Number one, it helps with the evaluation of the combination therapies. That will be helpful for the patients. That will be helpful for the research to move forward in terms of finding the best combination therapy. And ultimately, this drug will not be used as a single agent. It will be used as combinations for much deeper responses. And finding those combinations happen when we have more than one agent in that space. So this is a unique opportunity for us to avail the BCMA targeting bispecific antibodies and to evaluate their combinations and how they could benefit the patients in the future. One thing I'd really love to emphasize is, so the risks are real, the risk of infection, not just with elranatamab, the risk with infection is real with any BCMA targeting therapy. And we got to be very cautious about who we give the drugs to, and the benefits are real as well. But giving the drug in the safest possible way is the key. So I would urge for people to use the prophylaxis and to understand more about how to minimize the risk of CRS and looking at what the benefits that people can get by giving the regimen. And this is a great progress that we have made. And I'm very excited that elranatamab would be available for my patients.